Hey guys, Lena here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you an apartment that considering either buying or renting, doing like this a day stay arrangement where people can just come there and chill for a day and move on with their business and all. So these apartments, I'm going to show you what inside of this apartment looks like, and one of it is for sale while the other one is for rental. Is like a rental property. The one for sale is 40 million naira, while the one for rent is 3.5. They said they might agree to 3.2, but I'm going to show you what the apartment looks like right now so you can help me decide if it's worth it or not. At the same time, this one looks bigger than the one downstairs. Oh wow, it's brighter. Dining area here. The balcony is small. This toilet here. So this is the kitchen. It's a modern kitchen. Cabinets down here. This is like is going to be here. I don't know if there's a balcony. Oh, it has a balcony. Wow, this is really nice. There's still parking space here. I don't know what this is. If this is another room or a store. There's a toilet here. Toilet and bathroom, and it's really massive. It's dark here because there's no light. This is supposed to be a wardrobe. Yeah, I don't know why the wardrobe is still here, but it looks like a very tiny room with big bathroom and toilet, which doesn't make sense. They would have made the room bigger. The room is so small. Just look at the size of the room. Let's see. One step, two steps, and you're at the end of the room. Start small. It's really small. Maybe it's a servant's room or something. I don't know. It's quite small. Here's another exit point. Oh, this looks like this is not part of the house. It's like your pantry where you can store your food items. Back to the dining area. That balcony over there. And this here is one of the rooms. And this wardrobe. The wardrobe is not big, it's just fairly sized wardrobe. Really small, like you literally will have to fold your things and just put them in here. Then you can hang your clothes here. But whose hand is going to reach up there? It's so high. How does someone's hand reach up there? drawers for probably laundry and other stuffs. And shoes down there. Okay, but the lights, which is cool. Heater. And this is this part of the bathroom. I like this. This just water does not come out when you're taking your bath. It's a really shower system. But the room is really small. This is the size of the room. I like the fact that it has 2 windows. Yeah, so this is the second room and it's really bright in here. It's really bright. The same type of wardrobe in the other room. I think this one is even smaller. It seems to be smaller. Yeah. This wardrobe is smaller than the wardrobe in the other room. It's really small. Really small room. Then the toilet and bathroom. Shower. I like the shower. It's really spacious. The toilet and bathroom is also spacious, which is really nice. Yeah. This here is the master's bedroom. It's really spacious. Really spacious. Yes, this is really spacious. This is really spacious. Yeah. I'm actually be dancing. Heater over here, toilets, the shower. It has the same shower system everywhere. At the night. Yeah. Shower system. Toilet. And I like the way the door is. It has this matte texture. This is quality handle. It's still fine. I don't know why they didn't do POV in here. I wish they had done POV. The windows are small. Very small windows. Okay, let's look at the wardrobe. It's just slightly wider than the other ones. Show you full view. It's still fast space. You can put your large boxes up there. Yeah, I'm gonna put it down here. The wardrobe. Yay. Yay. Okay. This is what the wardrobe is like. So I think this is enough for one person, which is not bad. Not bad. You can put things inside these drawers here. You have one drawer here, another drawer here, and that's down there, which is really cool. They've already set up the point for the AC, so you don't have to come and start breaking any wall or anything. What you just need to do is just put your AC and you're good to go. I like that about this place. And I also like the doors. The doors are matte. Really nice. Yeah, I like the doors. So this is the other room here. And this other room, I don't think I entered the bathroom. Yeah. This is the second room I came into. There's the bathroom. In here, small windows. Yeah. And this is the first room. This is the first room with the toilet in there and the wardrobe. But the rooms are quite small. I'm not impressed with the room. This is the sitting room again, which is cool. Cool. So this house literally has 2 exit points. Here will definitely take me downstairs. And the stairs is this really sexy. And this is the apartment here. This Still trying another person's balcony, and this step takes you down. Okay. I was told the one upstairs that I showed you is not for sale. They're only going to rent that one, and the cost of the rent. This place is dark. Yeah. So the cost of the rent for the one upstairs is 3.5 million naira. While this one down here is the price. If you want to buy it outrightly, is 40 million naira. So I really don't know. My problem with this one down here is that it seems to be dark. But let me show you what this downstairs 3-bedroom apartment looks like, so you help me decide. So this is the flat downstairs, which is Gemini one. Yeah. So this is sitting room. It has the what do you call it, fancy light or chandelier or something. This is sitting room. It has, I like the POP. I like this gold lighting thing. And I believe this should be the visitors. This is the visitors toilet. Though the stairs is connected to the visitors toilet, that's why you have this thing here. Then washing your hand, wash hand basin rather. I say washing your hand. Wash hand basin is over there. While in here, wow. So this is the kitchen here, similar to the kitchen upstairs, but then it's also dark. It's also dark. It's actually dark. Then this is balcony, sitting downstairs. So I could actually just come here and take in air, like a lot of air. I like that there's a tap over there. Yeah, so this is the kitchen. What the kitchen looks like. Yeah. It's quite dark if there's no light in here. Though I like that it has a storage area where you can put your food items and just storage. Though I wish it had like a door or something. It's just going to be open. I don't like the fact that it's going to be open, but maybe something can be constructed to cover it up. Okay. So this here is the dining area. It's a dining area. Sizable, it's quite sizable, at least from your kitchen over to the dining. Then the sitting room here with the lovely lights, and this is the first room here. It's quite small, like guys, it's quite small, but I like the fact that they already put this AC stuff, so you're not coming here to break holes and all. Then the wardrobe is similar to the wardrobe upstairs too. This one is wider, and it has the lower layers also, so you can just put in your fold your clothes and put them here. Then you hang and put here. So same design for the bathroom and the toilet. I believe the rooms are actually the same size from upstairs and downstairs. The only difference is that the one upstairs is brighter, while this one here seems to be a bit darker. Yeah, it seems to be a bit darker. Okay. Yeah. Toilet and the bathroom. Door. Yeah, same wardrobe. Same door. Yeah. Then lights and water heater. And I believe this here should be the master's bedroom. Though if somebody is moving in here, the person would have to repaint because the walls are already stained, so you need to repaint. But the windows are quite small. I don't like the fact that the windows are small. The windows are quite small. Even this room itself is not massively big. Whew. Okay. Yay. Look at this. This is the master's bedroom here. And this is the wardrobe. Yeah. Okay. That's what this house looks like. Yay. So tell me, what do you think of this apartment? Do you like it? Is it one you think that one should consider or I should consider buying? the staircase taking me up on the way out here. Then you can park your G-Wagon or whatever car you have here. Go about your business. I like the fact that it's actually serviced because there's a generator there that you'll probably just need to just pay service charge for. And everybody has lights, which is cool. House right here. Germany luxury home is at 25 Yemi Adetayo Street, Iroko Awe, Etiosa. I'll need to call. Hi, afternoon. Yeah, can I call this number here to inquire about the apartment? Yes. No, the one for sale. The one for sale. Okay. So this is it here. 3-bedroom. I'm gonna call this number here to get it. Yeah. So guys, what do you think of this apartment? Does it make sense to pay 3.5 million naira in rent for the one upstairs, or even to buy the one downstairs for 40 million naira? Does it make any sense at all? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. But I feel I would rather put that money towards buying land and building my own house to my taste than having to pay this huge amount of money for this house. It's not perfect. The rooms are small, the window is small, and house again. I think aside from the angle when you come out of the house, it gives you this boarding school vibe. You know that other house that you can see the window when you come out of it. But either way, the beauty of it is the location is cool. It's closer to it's close to the road, so it's not one that you have to be traveling all the way down towards the charges because you're trying to get home. The location is on point, so anyways, let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and be sure to like this video